Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to school. I know it's early. This lesson is due on Friday, September 4th, but you can begin it this week. It should be short and easy and quick for 5th graders and 4th graders. It's a combination lesson. I'm going to go through it real quickly. It says print and complete the Elements of Art flip book. You don't have to print that if you don't have a printer. It's okay if you don't, but I do want you to look at the different worksheet pages and read them and review them and just get familiar with those words. Those are words we use a lot in art, and it's just really great information to have. I wished I'd had this as a 5th grader. It would have made, in a 4th grader, it would have made me a better art student later on in middle school and high school. The flip book, you just cut out and glue it page by page. I don't think it has to go in any particular order. You can start with any word first. It won't matter. Sorry, sometimes you may hear my printer go off. That's okay too. The only actual physical work you have to do is on the back of the paper, or on the last direction, is to get a piece of paper and create some type of artwork using the Elements of Art. Now, if you have a Canvas app on Chrome or some kind of drawing app on your computer, and you can do that. If you don't, that's okay. Just use a piece of paper and crayons and a pencil. That's basically all you need. I want you to use the element of line, so you could use curvy or wavy lines, zigzags, whatever, to divide your paper up. You can include 2-dimensional shapes or 3-dimensional shapes. You can look at your paper and tell which one's which. You can use any types of colors you want. If you use texture, you might, when you color it, lay it on something bumpy and smooth and color over that object and see what happens to the colors on there. It might change the way they look, or you can just use lines to make texture. You can use space by making objects look farther or closer together. That's really going to be up to you. And you can use value, which means you can shade items if you want to. It's not really a big deal. I made a quick sample one. I'm going to flip my camera down so you can see it. The only thing I haven't added to my picture is the color. It looks like this, so it's not too complicated. All I have left to do is color it. You can add different things. There's my texture, shapes, 3D, value, space, lines, and then if I was going to color, I might want to color here, or I might want to color the entire page. I'm going to leave it up to you how you make your lesson or your activity. When you're finished, it might look like something like the picture at the end of the slideshow. Please view the whole slideshow to see the complete pages. And I did put a pic collage on the back, and it has these different elements of art being used in a work of art. The only one I may not see is form, but I think form would be easy to add spheres or cubes into. It shouldn't be too hard for you all to do. Just let me know if you have any problems. If you make a completed artwork, please take a picture of it and post it in the comments so I can see that you've did the lesson. You don't have to hand anything in, so you don't have to worry about that. I just want to know that you attempted the lesson. None of this is mandatory. I think I accidentally put that this activity was worth 1 point, but it actually doesn't matter how many you use. You can tell I'm in my art room, sorry. It doesn't matter how many different things you use or what you use. If you want to use something different besides crayons, you can. You could use markers. If you want to use markers, that's fine, or anything else you have. I'm game for anything. Let me know if you have any questions. You can just email me. I think I put my links. I'm reviewing this on my computer. So to even make a video, we have to have a laptop and everything beside us. Yes, I put my Google Sites, and it also gives you my email address for school, so you can email me if you have a question, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. This lesson is for next Friday, or this Friday, this first week of school, and then I will post a new lesson next week. And as we go along, we'll have interactive lessons. I do have one activity I want you to do that's a fun day that has lots of exciting things to do in it. games and books and different things, and we'll be getting that in the future. But every week there will be a new lesson posted, and I want you to try to complete them and get them all finished. Have a good first week of school, and I hope to see you in person very, very soon. Thanks.